Eggnog Cheesecake. Ingredients: 1 cup graham cracker crumbs, 2 tablespoons sugar, 3 tablespoons butter, melted. Filling: 3 packages, 8 ounces each, cream cheese, softened. 1 cup sugar, 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, room temperature, lightly beaten, 3/4 cup eggnog, 1/2 teaspoon rum extract, dash ground nutmeg. Optional: whipped cream and additional ground nutmeg. Directions: place a greased 9 inches springform pan on a double thickness of heavy-duty foil about 18 inches. Square. Securely wrap foil around pan. In a small bowl, combine the cracker crumbs, sugar and butter. Press onto the bottom of pan. Place on a baking sheet. Bake at 325 degrees for 10 minutes. Cool on a wire rack. In a large bowl, beat the cream cheese, sugar and flour until smooth. Add eggs, beat on low speed just until combined. Gradually stir in the eggnog, extract and nutmeg. Pour filling over crust. Place springform pan in a larger baking pan, add 1 inch hot water to larger pan. Bake at 325 degrees until center is just set and top appears dull, 45 to 50 minutes. Remove springform pan from water bath. Cool on a wire rack for 10 minutes. Loosen side from pan with a knife, cool 1 hour longer. Refrigerate overnight, covering when completely cooled. If desired, top with whipped cream, then sprinkle with nutmeg.